Russell Tree Experts offers brace rod installation services to reinforce poorly structured trees and to reduce the risk of failure in a tree's crown by preventing select tree unions from spreading or twisting apart, or by preventing a split or cracked union from worsening. If your tree has codominant stems, poor branching habits, or unions that are cracked or split, this service may be beneficial for your tree's structure. Our brace rod installation process frequently begins after pruning the tree's crown to reduce weight and after installing one or more cables in the crown to support the suspect union from above. Once these initial steps are complete, we install a specified size and quantity of brace rods in your tree in accordance with the ANSI A300 Tree Support System Best Management Practices. This involves drilling holes through the union, inserting the threaded brace rods, and securing them with one or more washers, a lock washer, and a nut on both ends of each brace rod. We then tighten these connections as firmly as possible. Any excess length of threaded rod is cut off close to the nuts and subsequently peened off to prevent any movement of the nuts. The end result is a tree with increased structural integrity and a reduced chance of failing. To learn more about brace rod installations or to request a free quote and inspection, speak to one of our local friendly office staff members or visit our online website today.